Stop trusting your back tests. If you're still testing your trading strategies on historical data, meaning looking at what Bitcoin or gold did in 2023 or 2024, you are driving a car by staring into the rearview mirror. In 2026, the biggest edge in trading won't be in prediction, it will be in simulation. And today, I'm going to show you a new case study on synthetic data. It is a secret weapon used by JP Morgan and top hedge funds to survive market crashes that haven't even happened yet. And the best part, I'm going to show you how a smart retail trader can use the same tech to beat the market while everyone else is getting liquidated. First, we need to learn a new term, synthetic data. Here is the problem. The financial markets don't repeat themselves perfectly. Just because a moving average crossover worked in 2024 doesn't mean it will work in 2025 when the geopolitical climate is totally different. Real data is scarce. There is only one history, but AI can generate infinite histories. Think of it like a pilot. Does a pilot learn to fly by only on sunny days? No. They use a flight simulator to practice engines failing, storms, and bird strikes. They practice scenarios that have never happened, so they are ready when they do happen. Synthetic data is a flight simulator for your money. Instead of testing your strategies on the real past, you test it on a fake future generated by AI. Now let's take a real world example. We have two traders. We call them Bunny and Sunny. Both have a simple strategies. Buy Bitcoin when the RSI is above 30. Now the old school approach. Bunny does what 99% of you do. He backtests his strategy on data from 2020 to 2024. The results? The backtest shows a 40% annual return. Bunny is excited. He puts 10,000 into the strategy. Now the reality check. In early 2026, a new war breaks out. The market doesn't behave like 2020. Volatility spikes 300% in 1 hour. Bunny's stop losses are jumped. He loses 60% of his account in a single freaking day. Now the next level approach. Sunny knows that the past is a lie. He uses a retail accessible tool like Quant Connect or similar Python libraries that offers noise injection or synthetic data generation. Sunny asked the AI, create 1000th version of the year 2026 and give me one version where crypto crashes 50% in a single day. Give me another version where the internet goes down for 4 hours. Now the test. Sunny runs his strategy through these 1000 fake words. Discovery. He realizes that in a high volatility world, his strategy blows up. Now the main part, adjustment. He changes his code. If volatility is above X, stop trading. The outcome. When the real crash hits in 2026, Bunny is liquidated, while Sam's bot simply turns itself off. Sunny survived to trade another day. Now you might think that this is sci-fi, but here are the facts. According to Gartner, by 2025 and 2026, over 70% of the data used to train AI models will be synthetic, not real. JP Morgan is already using agentic simulation to predict how their portfolios would handle a global liquidity crisis if ever happened. They aren't guessing now. They have already played the video game of that crash a million times before it actually happened. The edge in 2026 isn't knowing what will happen. It's knowing what could happen and having a plan for it. Now for my easy trader family. How do you use this without a $1 billion budget? Here is the two-step solution. 1. The market simulator. Stop assuming your strategy works because it worked last month. Ask yourself the synthetic questions. What happens to my account if spreads widen up by 10x? What happens if my broker disconnects for 15 minutes? Manually stress test your plan against these fake scenarios. Level 2. The tech simulator. If you want to go a little advanced, if you are a coder or use trading bots, look at platforms like Quant Connect or crypto native backtesters that allow Monte Carlo simulations. This is a feature that shuffles past data to create new random future outcomes. If your strategy survives a Monte Carlo simulation, it is 10x more robust than a strategy that just survives a backtest. The future of trading isn't about being right, it's about being unkillable. The traders who win in 2026 won't be the ones with the best crystal balls. They will be the ones who used AI to prepare for the storms that nobody else saw coming. Don't test the past, simulate the future. If you found value in this case study, smash that like button and let me know in the comments. Are you backtesting or stress testing? I'll see you in the future. Peace.